smells like success. Paul Rudd livened up a recent press day by turning an on-camera interview into one long, extended fart joke, and because he's Paul Rudd, he somehow made it seem charming instead of gross. Photos. Stars as superheroes. The Ant-Man actor, 46, was supposed to be talking with clever reporter Aaron Robinson about his new superhero movie, but as he shifted in his chair, he let loose some major faux flatulence. "It's the chair," he said by way of excuse, a hint of mischief in his eyes. "It's the chair. It's leather." Rudd proceeded to fart throughout the rest of the interview, causing Robinson to dissolve into giggles. "Paul Rudd's tooting," she exclaimed between laughs. "I've never been tooted on in an interview before." Photos. Clueless stars, then and now. The clueless alum, for his part, tried his best to keep his straight face, even as he pretended to break wind again and again, and again and again. "These are terrible chairs. They need to replace these chairs," he quipped. "Should we see if we can do this whole interview without you even getting in one question?" Photos. Live TV flubs. Watch the video to see what happened. Sign up now for the Us Weekly newsletter to get breaking celebrity news, hot pics, and more delivered straight to your inbox.